Well, folks, I'm on the subway here. This is Python, host of Python's Paradise here. And, getting to Toronto is always fun. I love the sound of the subway because we do not have that in Fredericton. There you go.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Love that sound. Love that sound. See, one of the great things about Toronto is you don't necessarily have to have a car. The subway goes, they got, I think, 4 different lines, 4 or 5 different lines here. You can see the whole map of it right behind me.
Next station is
There you go. I got a few stops before I make it to my destination, but this is always, to me, one of the best. One of my favorite things when I come here is taking the subways. Yeah, we're here from early morning Toronto.
Queen Station. Doors will open on the right.
Yeah, I got a few stops to go. This is fantastic. We'll be darting off to Niagara Falls. We've got a car rented, and we're going to be heading off to Niagara Falls. I got a
Please stand clear of the doors.
hotel rented up there, and the event is tomorrow, I think at 3 o'clock. So tonight is when I gotta get some rest because I trained somebody at the building I was cleaning at last night, and so
Next
no
station
sleep.
is Dundas Station.
Anyway, Skittles I know will miss me, but my brother Andrew is going to stop in and make sure Skittles is fed and looked after. But nonetheless, folks, looking forward to Frightmare in the Falls. Got a lot on the agenda for that.
Dundas Station. Doors will open on the right.
Doors open on the right. So looking forward to this, folks, and enjoying the sounds of the subway and Python's Paradise in Toronto. For gone here, with the exception of 2020, every year. I love this city. There you go. And wouldn't have her any other way. Anyway, folks, I'm going to sign out here.
Stand clear of the doors.
Staying clear of those doors. And yeah, I'll keep you posted on the interesting encounters I have and sights I see and happenings that occur at Frightmare in the Falls.
College Station.
Anyway, folks, love the subway, love Toronto.